Yes.
Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon once again.
Good afternoon.
So today we are learning a lesson where we want to prepare oxygen. Is that okay?
Yes.
We want to prepare oxygen today in the laboratory. And we have a number of components here that we'll be using in the preparation of oxygen. I want to believe we have learned the theory part of it, so we want to do it practically today and see how we can be able to manufacture oxygen. Is that okay? Yes. So here we have a dropping fan, which we will be using it. We will place our substances here. And with me in this other side, we have our round bottom flask, which we will begin by dealing with it. We will place our manganese 4 oxide. We agree that manganese 4 oxide, that's what? It is a catalyst. It is what?
Catalyst.
What is the role of a catalyst? No, I don't want correct answers. What is the role of a catalyst? Just speed up. To speed up the rate of a reaction. And therefore, without wasting time, we want to place some number of spatulas of our catalyst to begin with. We'll begin by placing the catalyst. And then thereafter now we place the hydrogen peroxide, which is going to decompose to give us oxygen. So the catalyst is of this color. I'll place 2 spatula full of it here. Spatula full, the first spatula is here. I'll place it inside. Then we also place another spatula full, so that you have how many? 2 spatula full. Is that okay?
Yes.
And then this is now ready. So I'll then connect it with our dropping panel. Connect it with our dropping panel this way. Make everything ready. So you can see, connected it with the dropping panel. This is our trap. This here is what? Someone? Yes. This is our beehive. Is that okay? Yeah, it's going to help us do that. So after doing this, maybe I would want one person to come and help me pour water here. And then we will place this, make it ready, so that we can be able to do. So you can just come and place water into the trap. Water in this beaker here. Yeah, good size of water. Continue placing it. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, entire amount. Oh, nice. I want to believe it's come to the top of the beer shop. Yes. That is fair enough. Now, wherever you are, I want you to be careful to watch on the bubbles. When you see any bubbles coming, that is show that the gas is now moving. Is that okay? Yes. We will not begin by collecting the gas first because, of course, inside here there are traces of air. Is that okay? Yes. So we want to allow them to move out first before we collect our real oxygen. So without wasting much time, here we have our hydrogen peroxide. Remember, in the formation of oxygen, hydrogen peroxide decomposes to give us what and what? Someone? Yes? Oxygen and water, correct. Oxygen and water. So we want to immediately place our hydrogen peroxide there. Place small size, this size, here, so that we begin decomposing it, so that it pushes out air. Now right away place it in our dropping panel. What is happening? That is how serious oxygen is coming. Are you seeing that reaction? The serious one. how oxygen comes seriously. And you can be able to see, you will see bubbles, eh? Yes. Bubbles coming out, and you can see a gas which is being collected, a colorless gas. Are we there? Yes. Maybe I can still add a few. You see, immediately when hydrogen peroxide goes to the other side, what happens? The gas comes out, the bubbles comes out from that other end. And then you can see we are able to collect a gas. Is that okay? Yes, inside here we are collecting a gas. And we will be careful to observe here there is a reaction which is ongoing. Now we want to test whether hydrogen will have been produced. Not that hydrogen, but oxygen. What do?
We use a flame split.
We use a? This is now a burning split. Is that okay? In the burning split, we will put it up so that it glows. Are you seeing?
Yes.
What does it do?
Lights.
That is what it does. Maybe a smaller size. But still allow it to come and get prepared. It relights. Are you saying? Did you show the way to relight it?
Yes.
Okay, so it relights up. Long in a burning split. Sorry for that. It's not moving. It's not allowing. And we still collect a few of them. Are you seeing some gas coming?
Yes.
So we are preparing now. We will come and test it later. That is it. You can see it being collected there. Oxygen, that is oxygen which we are working it out. I think it is there in plenty. Maybe we can still do our burning screen, our glowing screen, so that we can be able to test it even much better. A better one. Are you seeing this? What did it do? Yes? It relights a glowing screen. It is burning, but when it is in this state, it's glowing. And when you do that and then it catches up fire once again, are you getting that? Yes. Meaning I have overused it again. The rate at which I'm preparing is slow because my GPA is not working. Nonetheless, that is how we prepare oxygen. You can